Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to talk about why is freelancing not for everyone. This is not something I hear a lot of people say, but I'm going to say it to you so that you don't make any mistake or you don't try out freelancing without knowing what all can go into it. So without any further delay, let's get started. But before that, if you don't know me, I am Jyotishree. I am a freelance content writer and social media manager. If you want to learn more about content writing, freelancing or social media, consider subscribing to this channel. Now, freelancing is gaining a lot of popularity and a lot of people are going to become freelancers in the coming age. There's no doubt in that. But I also think that it is not for everyone. There are offices and the office culture is still there and a lot of people are happy with that. They are doing great in that, and I feel a lot of people will not be able to adjust in the freelancing world, especially if they don't know everything about it and they just start doing it just for the money, and then they realize that there's so much more that I need to do but I don't want to do. So that's basically the thing. Let's start with all the things that freelancing demands from you. Now the very first thing that I'd like to talk about is patience. If you are starting out with freelancing, you need patience. You will not land up a client who pays you a lot of money right at the start. You will not have your dream client right when you start freelancing. You might have to work with clients who don't pay you as much as you would like. You might need to work on projects that don't interest you. There's a lot of things that go into freelancing initially that you might not enjoy to the fullest. But if you don't have patience, you might give up right after 3-4 months of freelancing, because many people have done that. They have not seen the results that they wanted to see and they have given up. But maybe if they would have tried a little more or tried 2-3 months more, maybe they would have landed their ideal or dream clients. So a lot of people don't have the patience to wait and they want a good result right at the start. Yes, if you are lucky, you can have great clients right when you start your freelancing journey, but that's rare. So if you are starting freelancing, if you want to start freelancing, know this, that you need to have a lot of patience. Most of the things that make you a lot of money requires patience. You do not achieve success overnight. You do not become rich or wealthy overnight. The second thing that I'd like to talk about is learning and upskilling. That's a must in freelancing. If you don't learn, if you don't upskill, you will become replaceable and nobody wants that. You don't want to lose out on business, so you need to keep learning and upskilling. Let's say I'm a freelance content writer and when I started I learned a few things and I'm stuck with that will not help me in any way. That will not get me new clients. That will not keep my present clients happy. I need to add more expertise or more knowledge so that my quality of work can improve, so that I am satisfied with the value that I am providing. And the thing about freelancing is that nobody is going to tell you that. This is something you need to figure out yourself. This is something you need to do yourself. You need to take out time from your schedule to learn something new or to hone your skill, to upskill yourself. Which brings me to the next thing, which is you need to manage yourself. Now, one thing about our system is that right from our childhood, people are managing us. I don't know how many of us actually manage ourselves. When we are kids, our parents manage us, then we go to schools and teachers manage us, then we go to colleges, our professors manage us, and there's just this system that goes on. Then we go to offices and our managers manage us, and that's how it works. And we are so used to that if when we start freelancing or when we start something on our own, a lot of people fail to manage themselves. They suck at time management or are not able to deliver the work on time, and there's just a lot that can go wrong. So when you start freelancing, you need to keep this in mind, that you are your own boss, and as good as it sounds, it also has, or it also brings a lot of responsibility. You need to take responsibility of your time, your tasks, your day, your week, and you need to make sure that your work is going well along with your health and well-being. The next thing is soft skills. Not a lot of people talk about soft skills because people will tell you that when you are starting freelancing, you need to learn one skill, you need to add another skill to that and keep providing services to your clients. But if you want a successful freelancing business, there's a lot of work that goes behind the scenes. It's not just getting clients, providing work, and you're done. You want to look for more clients, you want to generate more leads, you want to be present on social media, and have people who appreciate you for your content. Whatever the reason may be, soft skills are so damn important. By soft skills, I mean your communication. If your communication skills are great, you might be able to land good clients. If your communication skills suck, your work level or your skills might be great, but you won't get the clients that you want to work with. So I feel communication skills are very, very important. So if you want to build a successful freelancing business, then start working on your soft skills, your communication skills, and trust me, you'll thank me later. And the next skill that you need is interpersonal skills. Again, this is not something a lot of people talk about. Interpersonal skills mean how you manage your client relationships. If you have a team later on, if you are let's say working with subcontractors, then how do you manage them, how do you communicate with them? It's basically how are your relationships with people, how do you manage that, how do you maintain that. This is not something that is taught. You need to realize this, if you are already good with your interpersonal skills, then that's great. If you are not, you really need to work on that. And although nobody talks about it, but there are a lot of books out there, there are a lot of videos out there that tell you how you can improve your interpersonal skills. So if you want to work on that, go find the resources and start working on this today, because not only freelancing, no matter where you are in your life, interpersonal skills can make or break you. So these are all the things that come with freelancing, and if you are not willing to put in the effort to work on these skills, these things, then freelancing is not for you. Now, there are a lot of 9-to-5 jobs where you get a work or where you are assigned to a process that barely changes. You might be working on the same thing for 5-6 years with minimal changes and you're happy. In those cases, these people also become mechanical, and now if you take someone from there and put them into freelancing, they will really feel out of place and they'll not know how to handle everything. So that's why I say freelancing is not for everyone. If you want to start a side hustle beside your current job, you need to keep these things in mind and prepare yourself that you need to work on yourself, you need to have patience, you need to improve your communication, interpersonal skills, and then only I think you'll be able to survive in freelancing, and the rest of the things time and experience will teach you. So that's it for this video. I hope you find it valuable and useful. Let me know what are your thoughts on this in the comments, and if you have any video requests, also let me know. Thank you so much for sticking around till the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.